Good morning, boys and girls. I just want to tell you, this is Miss Middlebrooks, and I want to say that I miss you guys, miss you in the classroom, and I hope that you're keeping safe, washing your hands thoroughly. Remember, when you're washing your hands, you're supposed to count to 20 to make sure you wash them very, very good. And I hope that you guys have had a great time being at home, but I want you to know I miss you very much. Not just myself, but Miss Means, Miss Snellings, and Miss Welch. So although we can't see you again in the classroom for the rest of this school year, we hope to see you again in August. And I know you guys will be, most of you will be going to the second grade, and we won't see you like we normally do every day, but we'll see you in the hallways and in passing. But we want to keep in touch with you to make sure that you're doing your absolute best. But this morning, we're going to get started on our math assignment. And we have some addition problems, some two-digit addition problems, some two-digit subtraction problems. We also have our hundreds chart. We're going to be filling in the missing numbers for the hundreds chart. And remember, boys and girls, our strategies that we use for our math. We have using pictures to count on, using pictures to count, counting on using our hand. We want to use our tally marks. We want to also use our number line. You can use the number line for subtraction as well as for addition. And don't forget the 10 frame. You can use your 10 frame for adding and subtraction as well. And also, if you have objects around the house that will help you in your math problems, your math equations, you can use those as well. You can use pennies, you can use money, pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters for counting. Those are objects that you can use to help with your math equation. Also, I didn't do it before I made the chart, but let's remember, when we're counting, we're going to use the T-chart. Because when we're doing our math, we have our ones on the right side and then our tens on the left side, our tens column. So when we're adding two-digit problems, we want to make sure we always start with the right side. So when you're adding 0 plus 6, you want to take the largest number, put it in your head, and then you could count on. So I put 6 in my head. So we got 0 plus 6. And we know when we add in 0 to any problem, it's going to be that number itself. So 0 plus 6 is going to be what? I heard you. 6. Very good. Also, in our tens column, that's 2. So we put the largest number in our head, 7, and we can add, well, I'm going to use another strategy. We got the largest number in our head. Let's use the tally mark strategy. So we're going to use tally marks. I'll write it here on this. We're going to use 7 tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember that slanted line to make 5. Then 6 and 7. And we want to add 2 to it. We can add 2 to it. 1, 2. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the answer in our first problem is going to be, we're going to go ahead and write the 6 here. I'll do the first one for you. We're going to write 6 there. And 7 plus 2 is what? Exactly, 9. Very good. So the answer to this equation, 70 plus 26 is 96. Good job. So I did the first one for you in the addition. I'm going to let you do the other 11. It should be 12 problems. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 equations, and I'm going to let you to continue to do the other 11 on your own. I know you can do it, and I know you're going to make an excellent grade on it. So keep up the good work. Now also, let's move over to our subtraction. Here's our subtraction. We're doing two-digit subtraction. We have 94 minus 10. What strategy do you think we could use to work this problem? Let's remember to use our T chart, our ones column, and our tens column. Ones column and the tens column. Okay, we have 4 minus 0. All right, I want to use I wish I had a picture to use. I'll do that one later. Okay, I'll use a number line. Yeah, I'll use a number line. Here. Okay. Come closer, please. Number line. We're going to pretend like this goes all the way to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So the equation is 4 minus 0. So I want to box out my 4. And I'm going to take nothing away. So I'm starting, this is my starting point, 4. If I take nothing away, how many would that leave me? Exactly. It'll leave me with 4. So I'm going to put my 4 there. Now 9 minus 1. We can use another number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We'll go ahead and put a 10 there. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 minus 1. I'm going to box out my 9. And remember, in subtraction, we're going to do what? We're going to go backwards because we're taking away. So I start here at my 9, and I'm going to hop backwards, 1 backwards. So 9 minus 1 equals what? Exactly, 8. So 94 minus 10 equals what? 84. That is correct. Okay, I did the first one for you, and I want you to do, in subtraction, we only have 10 problems. So you're going to do the other 9 on your own. And I know you're going to do a great job because we're going to use all of our strategies. You can choose whichever strategy that works best for you and use that strategy. You can use the picture count, the counting on, or in subtraction, you put the largest number in your head and you count backwards. So if I put 9 in my head and count 1 backwards, 9, what comes before 9? 8, correct. So I only took away 1. So you can use that strategy as well. Or you can use your tally marks. You write your tally marks, 9 tally marks, and then you take 1 away, and that will give you your answer as well. Okay, or you can use your 10 frame. The 10 frame is a great strategy to use also. Okay, that's it for our 2-digit addition and our 2-digit subtraction. Now, I want to move on to the hundreds chart. I want you to get some paper and pencil, and you know what? You don't necessarily have to write out the entire hundreds chart like I have it here, but this is going to be a great tool for you to use. What I want you to do is just only write the missing numbers. So you got 1, a blank space here. What comes after 1? That's correct. And then you have 3. You got a blank space after 3. What comes after 3? What was that? I can't hear you. Exactly. And then 5, 6, and put in the missing numbers here. And you just keep going all the way till you get down to whatever number is supposed to go at the end. I'm not going to tell you because I know you can do it on your own, boys and girls. So when you're writing out your answers, just write only the answers. And you put a comma behind each number so we'll know that that's the next number. So if the first number is 2, you're going to write 2, comma, and then whatever the next missing number is, you're going to write that number, then a comma, so we know you're going on to the next number. And then whatever comes after 6, you write that number, write a comma, And then after the whatever that number you wrote, write that and put a comma. So you're gonna have several different answers. I didn't count the boxes how many are missing, but there should be quite a number of them that are missing. I just want you to write the answers only, okay? And submit it to your homeroom teacher, whether it's Miss Snellings, Miss Means, or Miss Welch. And I want to encourage you guys, continue to do your virtual learning or your packets that you receive from the school that your parents picked up from the school. Continue to do that. We have about 2 more weeks left of school, so just continue working. Do your absolute best so you can finish well and finish strong. That's the end of our math lesson. I love you guys. I miss you. And do very well. If you have any problems or you have any questions or concerns, have your parents to contact either Miss Means, Miss Welch, or Miss Snellings, and they will be able to assist you. Okay? Guys, enjoy the rest of your day. See you later.